introduce you to my trap house. Real street nigga living what I rap about. Purple living, let me show you what my trap about. Hey, we just turned this bitch into a crack house. Hey, trap house, trap house for real. Let me introduce you to my trap house. Real street nigga living what I rap about. Hey, we just turned this bitch into a crack house. Get 20 straight butter, don't do no motherfucking damn. Fuck with E, I'ma bust shit, you know I'm wicked with that ass. I keep on bogging with Brody before we hop up in the rap. Though we had this discussion, man, I'ma shoot and you gon' drive. Get it out the mud, cause a nigga never gave on them lacquer, you know we hard. Hot beating like David Ruff, drop 21 like Timmy Dog. Uptown young niggas ball. Told the bitch we was never nothing. I trap hard on the curb, nigga. In the building, gotta wash the door when you serve, nigga. On this nigga line, we tryna catch when he got that work. Niggas think they doing something to that fucking torch. G23's AIP, yeah, we tryin' work, nigga. I'm out with my stick to stay. Dropped it on the off, tried to go back, them niggas built the game. Got my mask gon' cutting up, caught a high over the plate. Mask off when I drive, you ever in the demon in the rain. I'll go outside and bang. I'm thugaholic every day. My heart on ice like Roddy. Like that shit up out the way. 10 piece, we get it gone today. I'm a purple baby, hop out gang. You know the drill, hop out and spray. Let me introduce you to my trap house. Real street nigga living what I rap about. Purple living, let me show you what my trap about. Hey, we just turned this bitch into a crack house. Hey, trap house, trap house for real. Let me introduce you to my trap house. Real street nigga living what I rap about. Hey, we just turned this bitch into a crack house.